Duke has gotten out before, and of the 5 times that it's happened, 4 has been my fault. 4 has been my fault. Oops. Hey brother, it's me, your sister, and oh my gosh, this weekend, Duke got out. We have a gate by the front door. We don't have a storm door. So my dear friend Pam, she came over to play beauty shop with me. I did some finger coils on her hair, and I was so excited for her to come over, see the house, meet the doggies. She was so excited to meet the doggies that I latched the gate, opened the door. Hey Pam, hi! I hear a click, and it all happened so fast. Hear a click. Apparently Duke gets out, and he was playing with me. So he gets out, and the first words that Pam hears from my husband, yo bro-in-law, is, got it! Because Duke has gotten out before, and of the 5 times that it's happened, 4 has been my fault. 4 has been my fault. Oops. So, Duke gets out. We're in the front yard, in the driveway. Duke, come here. He's like this. Huh? You called me? Huh? You want me? Yeah, I'll come. Nah. I'm going. What? Yeah, I'll come. Nah. There's stuff over here I've never seen before. So we're trying to get him to come over here, like yelling and saying, Duke, come here. So I think he's coming. Duke, come here. I say in the house, and he comes running. So I try whistling. I whistle, he comes running. It didn't work outside. He was like, I can get away from Dakota? Yes! Peace, I'm out. And he takes off. He's running. I'm like, oh my goodness. Thank goodness Leo's in good shape, because he has on just shorts. He put on his running shoes, put on the coat. It's like 25 degrees. It's kind of nippy. And he takes off after him. And probably like 15 minutes later, we were getting ready to get in the car, Pam and I, to go, like, we should probably go help him, find him, or like drive around so if he gets him, he doesn't have to like carry him all the way back. So we were getting ready to put our coats on to go out to go help Leo, and he comes back and he's drenched, and he's red, and he's probably cold, and he's mad because I let this happen again. I'm like, oh, I felt terrible. But I know that he really loves the doggies. Not that I didn't know that before, but he really loves the doggies, and he'll make a good daddy because he took care of business. But I couldn't, because I'm not in shape. I can't run. I tried running with the dogs on a walk yesterday, and it's like 30 seconds. I was like, eee. Now if I need to run, I can run. But I guess I needed to run right after Duke, and I couldn't. But I had on my house shoes. I had on no coat. I don't know. Anyway, Leo is the better runner in the household. He ran, he did a dang thing, brought Duke back, and it's a nice, happy home again. Our family is complete until we have real kids. Not that dogs aren't real kids, but yeah, you know what I'm saying. Until you have a physical niece or nephew, brother, he could be an uncle. One of these days. Probably have to be soon, like I'll be 39 this year. Ah! Ah! Okay, again, brother, I always try to make these little chats with you just a minute long so I can just like boop, post them really quick, but now I have to like cut and fix it so that it can go on Instagram very nicely so you can see it. So I'm rambling. I'm still rambling. I gotta stop rambling. Okay. Bye, brother. See you soon.